This is a brand new 2013 GMC Yukon. This SUV has an automatic transmission, a 5.3-liter V8, and the added capability of four-wheel drive. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: speed-sensitive volume controls, a rear-view camera, a Bose stereo system, XM satellite radio, aluminum wheels, roof rails, traction control and stability control systems, dusk sensing headlights, a power passenger seat, and power adjustable gas and brake pedals enable you to change their height and distance to fit your body rather than you fit to their positions. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.
Andy Mohr Buick GMC is the place to find new and pre-owned cars and trucks in Indianapolis. You can search our new and used car inventory online, get new car pricing, and receive free no-obligation price quotes. Stop by and visit us at 9295 East 131st Street in Fishers, or see us online at andymohrbpg.com.